Thousands of lakes throughout the world are victims to acid rain. Acid precipitation is precipitation just like rain, sleet, or snow, but it contains a high concentration of acids. When fossil fuels are burned, they release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. In this video, you can see John revving his engine, and you can see the exhaust going out into the air. When the oxides combine with water in the atmosphere, they form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Once it falls, it is acid precipitation. This particular kind of precipitation can kill living things, thus wiping out a population. Normal rain has a pH of about 6.0. Acid rain can average between 4.0 and 5.0. In extreme cases, the acid rain pH can reach 3.5. Plant communities over time have adapted to the acidity in their own soil. What acid precipitation does to the water and soil is it drops the pH and increases the concentration of the acid. When there is an increase of acidity in soil, it dissolves the nutrients, then is washed away by rainwater. Increased acidity can cause plants to absorb toxic metals such as aluminum. And aluminum causes root damage. Sulfur dioxide and water vapor clogs the openings on the surfaces of plants.
Aquatic animals are adapted to live in an environment with a particular pH range. If the pH falls, the acid can kill aquatic plants, fish, and other animals. Acid precipitation causes aluminum to accumulate in the gills of fish and can cause them to suffocate slowly. In the spring, acid precipitation is the worst. The sudden influx of acid water causes a rapid change in the water's pH. This is called acid shock. Acid precipitation affects the reproduction of fish and amphibians, causes them to produce fewer eggs that do not hatch. Some states in the United States spray calcium carbonate on acidified lakes to counteract the effects of acid rain.
Toxic metals are absorbed into the soil in which we grow our crops. Therefore, we are consuming the acid. After the toxins are consumed, they begin to poison the human body. The poison causes respiratory problems in children. Another way this has an effect on humans is that fishermen will be affected because of the decrease in fish. Forestry is also affected because the acid rain damages the trees. As you see in this picture, there is a monument being dissolved from the acid rain.
This is where the acid rain goes after it falls. Into lakes, into the soil, and even in the water supply. pH. What is pH?
pH stands for power of hydrogen. It measures how acidic or basic a substance is. The lower the pH number, the more acidic it is.